tips and tricks. So, been wondering how to load your queen perfectly? Well, here's how. So I take my loader brush with my Kaolite technology and sunlights, and I make a grid system. And when I make this grid, it's going to ensure how much product I actually put on my paddle. Just remember, every single pass with my product is going to elevate the amount of product that I put on my brush. With that said, as I know, hairdressers love a good before and after. If you're struggling with balayage, here's why. You're taking that lightener and you're putting it all over your brush and you're becoming a hot mess. Therefore, you quit the process. But this is a great tip and trick that can help you make sure and ensure that you have just the right amount of product onto your paddle. So as I create my grid, longer hair, more passes, shorter hair, less passes, I get my grid system there. Then I take my queen and I come straight into what I'm going to load onto my brush. Again, just pulling to the side, and now I have the perfect amount of product to load onto the hair. Just remember this, the higher the dome or the bigger the streak. So as you're painting hair, you don't want to run out of product and have to reach back to your bowl. So if a lady has longer hair, you'll have more product on your paddle. If someone has shorter hair, you'll have less product on your paddle. Therefore, loading the proper amount onto your brush. If you're trying to paint skinny little highlights, then your dome should be very small. If you're trying to do a wider streak, your dome can be wider. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy.